In this video, we'll go over how to define and view results for monitor surfaces for your Flux project. A monitor surface can be defined to any single CAD geometry item or a group of CAD items in an Flux project. This monitor type is unique in that it is only applicable for fire simulations, as it provides heat flux data and some other fire-related variables to the defined surface. To define a monitor surface, right-click its name from the Project Items tab. In the Add Items panel, a name can be entered and the emissivity value for the surface defined. A list of emissivity values is provided for various materials, like weathered stainless steel. But you can also enter your own value by choosing the User-Defined option. Let's now select the surface for the monitor. I'll go over a couple different ways this can be done. Start by activating the Equipment Pick tool, and while holding Control, use the left mouse button to select a surface. Depending on your CAD model, only a portion of the item may be selected, so you can continue clicking surfaces while holding Control until you have the desired result. Alternatively, holding Control and using the right mouse button may be more beneficial in some cases. Here, it can be seen using the right mouse button, I selected most of this CAD model. I can refine the selection down by holding the Shift key and clicking and dragging to draw a square. Highlighted items within the drawn square are kept in the selection. Pressing the G key throughout this process will toggle the visibility of non-selected CAD items to help verify the surface selected. You can always press Escape and start over if needed. Once the surface has been selected, click the Add Item button to add the monitor surface to the project. You can repeat this process to define as many monitor surfaces as needed. For some projects, the radiation of the sun needs to be accounted for. This can be added via this option in the project menu. Various values are available, but a user-defined value may also be entered. The solar radiation intensity value entered here would then be applied to all monitor surfaces in the project. Monitors in Flux may be added before or after simulations have complete. In this project, the monitors were added after, which is indicated by the gray text, meaning that they will need to be updated with the project data. To update the monitor surface, you can right-click it and choose Update, or open the Surface Heat Flux Analysis window and click the Update button there. After the update is finished, data will be shown for each surface and each completed fire simulation in the project. Options for variables are convective heating, radiative heating, or the total heating, combining the radiative and convective values. Additionally, the average and maximum heat flux values can be viewed, as well as the maximum temperature. If only a couple monitor surfaces are of interest, you can select a subset of surfaces to be viewed from the drop-down menu. For projects with multiple simulations with frequency values defined, exceedance curves can be produced for the selected variable. The exceedance data, or results of any individual or all monitor surface variables, can be exported to Excel for further analysis. The last tab will list each monitor surface and their associated surface areas and emissivity values. If you have any questions about monitor surfaces and how they can be used for your project, feel free to email us at info@insightnumerics.com.